put too much salt, Pestus. Pestus, no put too much salt, Pestus. Hey.
I'll take your order.
Can I have 2 large Big Jack meals, please, with Coke for the drink, but no ice, thanks.
That's 2 large Big Jack.
Yes, yes, sorry, 2 dog's money, I'm sorry. 2 large Big Jack meals with Coke with no ice, yes. No, thank you. Thank you. Steve wants to order some food too. Yes, Steve. You can have John at the Pro Cuts food. He won't eat it. Ryan won't have any food. Ryan Ingleton won't have food either. Lee from England. Nah, stuff him. He's not going to have any food. None of them. My mum's actually saying who you're talking to. I'm talking to the camera, of course.
Oh.
David Bleasby, you're not going to have any food. None of you are going to have any food. Steve, Mum and I are going to have food. That's it.
Oh, no.
That's it. You're not going to have any food. No, 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 no. No one's going to have food.
No. How much it cost?
How much does it cost? $37,000.
$310,
I don't know. How much? $24? $25? Oh, okay. Mum's paying. I can't reach. Okay, so we've got $27 here. Yeah. That's Australian money. $27. How are ya?
Pestus, no put too much salt in it.
Oh, not in my ear.
Those green. Let me do pour it. You put too much salt, Pestus. Put it less.
Yes, thanks. Yeah, I know. You just won't shut up. I can't hear you.
Shut up.
Sorry? $24.70. There you go. Thank you very much.
No, please don't put too much salt.
My mum doesn't want salt on the chips. Is that possible?
Please.
Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
Έτσι, δεν είναι κακό να το πεις. Δεν τα κάνουν λύσα.
Oh, crazy.
Βάζουν από πάνω.
Mum just asked that they put no salt on the chips because they put too much salt on the chips.
Και βέβαια βάζουν πολύ.
All right, be quiet, Steve. You'll get your food. Oh, yes. Oh, that's it. I'm just covering my eardrums. Oh. Yes, thanks. Yeah. I can sort of half hear you between. Oh, doesn't like the drive-through. He doesn't like the drive-through. He's harmless, but he just doesn't like the window and the drive-through. Don't know why, but maybe he's ordering. He wants some food. Who knows? Maybe he wants a burger. I don't know. Anyway, I better let you go. Take it easy. Steve wants a burger. There you go. No, that's your change. I'm giving you your change. Got it? Oh, thank you. Oh, thanks, buddy. Oh, there you go. You can take the drinks, Mom. Oh, good. You got the drinks? Beautiful. You got the drinks. That's it. What? Steve, you sit down. No, you stay there, mate. That's it. Hey, he's a good boy. If you want to see Steve, there's Steve there. Say hello, Steve. Give him a wave. Give him a wave. No, doesn't give a stuff. No, doesn't give a stuff. So as I said, boys, no food for you guys. Mum, Steve and I are having Hungry Jacks. And yeah, none for you. Thanks, buddy. Cheers. Have a good night. Thank you. Alright, we're done. Mum says she hopes that they don't put too much salt on the chips or none at all, because last time we were here it was like we ordered large salt with fries. So basically all it was just salt. Okay, we'll just move out of the way here, cars are coming through.